On this 2010 to 2016 Honda CR-V with the 2.4 gas engine, B1228, also shown as 06 in the climate control self-diagnostic, points to a short in the outside air temperature sensor circuit. In plain terms, the climate control unit may be seeing the outside temperature sensor circuit pulled where it should not be. The driver may notice an outside temperature reading that seems wrong, or automatic climate control behavior that does not quite match actual conditions. Broadly, think possible wiring or connector trouble in the outside air temperature circuit, a possible sensor fault, or a possible climate control unit issue. We are going to prove the fault first, then split the circuit checks in order. Start by clearing the DTC with the HDS. Turn the vehicle to OFF lock, then back to on. Run the self-diagnostic with the HDS or through the climate control unit and check for DTCs again. If B1228 or 06 is indicated, keep going into the circuit diagnosis. If it is not indicated, treat it as an intermittent failure and check for loose wires or poor connections in the outside air temperature circuit. Next, turn the vehicle back to OFF lock. Disconnect the climate control unit 32P connector and the outside air temperature sensor 2P connector. With both ends unplugged, check continuity between climate control unit 32P connector No. 19 and body ground. If there is continuity, repair the short to ground in the wire between the climate control unit and the outside air temperature sensor. If there is no continuity, the TAM wire is not shorted to ground, so move to the next check. Keep the same disconnected setup. Vehicle OFF lock, climate control unit 32P connector disconnected, and outside air temperature sensor 2P connector disconnected. Now check continuity between climate control unit 32P connector No. 19 and climate control unit 32P connector No. 23. If there is continuity, repair the short in the wires between the climate control unit and the outside air temperature sensor. If there is no continuity, the TAM wire and sensor COM wire are not shorted together, so continue to the sensor check. Now test the outside air temperature sensor. If the outside air temperature sensor is okay, the diagnostic path points to replacing the climate control unit. If the outside air temperature sensor is not okay, replace the outside air temperature sensor. The key is not to jump to either part until the short to ground check and the TAM to sensor COM short check have both been cleared. The clean way through B1228 is simple. Verify the code, isolate the TAM circuit from ground, check for a short between TAM and sensor COM, then let the outside air temperature sensor test decide the final direction. After the correction, verify the repair and confirm the code stays gone. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.